welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be the Cosmic Brushes Royal Rose palette. I have already used this palette once. I absolutely love it. Here's what the inside looks like. It is just absolutely stunning. I am a huge new fan of Cosmic Brushes. I love them. I did a video on the Serenity palette, which should go up just before this one, so check that one out as well. And I also got some new brushes from Shop Miss A. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about some of these, because I like my brushes to be not as wide, so I can kind of do like a more detailed thing, and also maybe a little more with a more of a pointed or domed tip. So we're going to try these out, see how I feel about them. There are a couple that I think that I'm really going to like, but there are some that I'm like, I'm not sure. Like this brush right here. It is the E150. Sorry, the lights like make it harder to see, but I think this might be a little too big, but we're going to try it out, see what happens, see if I like it. And again, I've already used this palette once and I just adored it. It is just freaking beautiful, amazing. I did more of a pink tone look, which I loved. So now I'm like, do I want to do more of a pink tone look, or do I want to do something else? Let's start with, because yeah, I'm a sucker for like hot pink shadows. So that was my first thought, but now I'm like, do I want to change it up? Do I want to do something else? Let's start out with the shade. Let's just start with the shade Queen Bee, just as a transition shade. And we'll just kind of see where this takes us. And these are extremely pigmented palettes, so you just need to go in with just a little bit. Just barely tap it in the tap the brush in the shadow because they are so pigmented. Okay, so far this is not bad. It's weird. I can't tell if it's too dense. Or maybe it needs to be a little more thicker. I mean, it's looking good, so maybe it's just right. I'm just used to I usually use just Profusion brushes for the most part. I do have a couple Shop Miss A, like small, like flat shader brushes. Is that what they're called? Which I really like. So, I don't think I've used any of their like crease or fluffy brushes. So, this is new, but I'm actually kind of enjoying it a little bit. But yeah, I just got some brushes, some face masks, and some lip products, which I guess I should sit down and show you guys. I haven't gotten to use everything yet though, but I did use the lip liner and one of the lip pencils yesterday, and that's what I have on today, and I am enjoying those. Okay, now that does look really good. I like how that blended out. So I have no idea what I want to do. Not a clue. Let's go in with the shade Royal, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to try this brush. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about this. It's the E126. Just because I usually use a super dense, short brush for this next part, but we're gonna try this and see what happens. Okay. So, yeah, I definitely would prefer something a little smaller brush-wise for this part, but I'm just wanting to try this out. I'm kind of making a mess of myself because I usually don't use a brush this this big for this part of my look. I mean, it's a good brush. It's not what I am used to. But it's a really pretty shade, and I mean, it's going on okay. Again, not, I think I just need a little more control in this area, but doesn't, I mean, it looks good. All right. Now, I want to, we gotta do some kind of a shimmer shade. I want to try the shade Royal Rose right here. And this is the E129 brush. And I feel like when I usually do this part of my eye, I like a smaller, let me show you what I usually use. This actually is an AOA Studio brush. It's the E122. It's just firmer, smaller, so you can get in more detailed areas. I picked this brush up though. It's hard for me to tell online like how brushes really look, so I thought it was actually smaller like the one that I'd previously purchased, but since I, you know, bought it, we're gonna try it out. I just worry that this isn't dense enough and we're gonna have a mess, but let's try it and see what happens. Okay. Okay, so we are having lots of sparkle fallout like I suspected, but it looks good. And this shade is just so beautiful. I have to say, even though I'm much more of a shimmer girl, I am enjoying the shimmers as much as I am the mattes in these palettes. And I know I did kind of get it over in the darker pink shade, so we're kind of mixing and blending a little bit, but it looks really, really pretty. And we all know how much I love a good shimmer moment, so not upset. This is beautiful. So I would definitely say if you guys don't have the Cosmic Brushes palettes, I believe they only have 2 out right now. And they're still available. You gotta get your hands on these. These are so good. I mean, can you see that? So beautiful. It's like I don't want to stop. I love just the way that these shimmers are going on. It's incredible. Just, oh, so pretty. Just beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to take this first brush that we started out with, and I'm just going to kind of blend a little bit. Blend everything together. Alright. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line, which, so I have this brush. This is the E130. I'm kind of going to try and do the lower lash line with this and just see how it works out and hope I don't regret it. Let's go with the shade Dusk, which is this shade right here. Just have a little pink smoky moment. It's beautiful. Now, I'm going to take this E134 brush, and for the little lower inner corner highlight, we're going to use the shade Boss Babe, which is right there. It's a pretty sparkly pink. Alright, I'm gonna go put my mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back and this is the finished look. You guys can just see those gorgeous shimmers. And this is with the Cosmic Brushes Royal Rose palette. Here is another look at the inside of this beautiful, gorgeous, stunning palette. And yeah, I am definitely a fan. Over the last couple of weeks, man, I've discovered Odin's Eye and now Cosmic Brushes, and these palettes are stunning, absolutely gorgeous. Definitely pick up these Cosmic Brush palettes. I think they're about 20-25 bucks a piece. They're gorgeous, stunning, amazing. And I think there are also online discount codes out there, because I'm pretty sure I used one when I picked these palettes up. So you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. It means the world to me. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.